So for this project, the first thing I bought was these battery caps. So you can put on the 9-volt battery like this. And then I also got 22,000 ohm resistors. And then some 2N2222 transistors. Switches, so I can switch it on and off. This 28 gauge wire for the secondary coil, and then this 18 gauge wire for the primary coil. So I created this, which is going to be the primary coil, which is going to go around this secondary coil. And with the secondary coil, it took a very long time to wrap, so I didn't want to record the whole thing because that would be pretty boring. But yeah, I wrapped this up, this little PVC pipe with that red copper wire. Okay, so first we take the battery, take the red side, and solder it onto the switch. All right, so that's on there. So we take the primary coil, solder it to the other side of the switch. Ooh, okay. We take the resistor, solder it right here on the primary coil. We take this transistor, solder this middle part to here. Nice. And we got that on there too. And then we take the black part of this, put it on this side of the transistor, and then the primary coil finally goes on this side. And so now we'll fix it up in a bit, but that should be perfect. So let me just put this over here. Okay, if we turn it on, it should light it up. All right, so this is the finished product. I glued the battery down, I glued the switch down. I didn't glue the transistor down because it gets really hot, and I don't know how it works with heat and glue, so I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, the top of this, I did not cut it off because I didn't want to mess it up. What I could do also is cut off this top, like this white part, and put like a tinfoil ball on top to make it like a cooler Tesla coil, I guess. But it does the same function right now, so I'll just leave it like this. So yeah, turn it on. So with the switch, turn it on. And then there you go. All right, so here's how this works. I connect this little cap on the battery so it's easy to wire. And then, so the positive end goes to one side of the switch. On the other side of the switch, we have a wire that connects the middle to the resistor, and the top to the primary coil, and the other end of the primary coil connects to the collector side of the transistor. And in the middle of the transistor, the base of the transistor, we have the secondary coil, the bottom part of it, and then also the resistor that's connected to this, the primary coil. And then in the emitter side of the transistor, we have connected to the negative end of the battery. So whenever I turn it on, It works and turns on light bulbs and can do